In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a tour of this program. If you're watching this video, most likely it's your first time using the program. Now I'm going to first start with these options on top, on the top menu bar, and then I'm going to show you what your steps should be in order to get your account to work if it's a new account. First, we're going to start with the first menu that says Place, Renew, Delete Ads. Let's click on that. Now it may take a few seconds for this new window to show up depending on how busy the server is and how big of inventory you have. Now this is where you go to post new ads and renew your ads and delete your ads. And we have detailed videos on each of these functions, so we're not going to explain them in details, and you can watch the other videos to learn more about each of these functions that we're going to go through. On the top left corner, this is where you renew your ads. You set the dates and whatever ads that you've posted that is eligible for renewal and falls in between these dates. The system will automatically renew it once you hit this button. If there's a certain car that let's say you've sold it, or for some reason you want to delete all the ads that you've posted for that particular car, you would type in the stock number in here and you hit delete, and the system will delete all the ads that you've posted for that individual inventory item. In this window down the middle, it shows you the list of your active inventory. And if you're not too sure what the stock number is and you want to delete a particular ad, you can browse through this list to find the car and get the stock number from the stock column on the left hand side. Now if it's a car that's already been removed from your inventory, is no longer active, what you would need to do is you would need to select inactive cars on the top right corner, and once you do that, then this window will refresh and it will show all the inactive cars that you have in the inventory that have been deleted previously. But by default, only the active cars will show up. And if you want to place new ads, all you would need to do is to put a check mark under Run 1 in front of each and every car that you would like to generate an ad for. And once you're done, you click on Start Placing Ads, and the system will start doing it. Now let's get out of this window. Now let's move to the second option here. It says Add Edit Products One by One. This is where you go to add a new car to your inventory, and or to delete a particular item from your inventory, or to update some information about that particular inventory item. If you want to add a new item, what you would need to do is just to put in the stock number and start filling out the rest of the boxes in here, and once you're done, you click on Add Update, and that will add it to the system. If you want to update certain information, let's say price of a particular car, you can put in the stock number of your existing inventory, and if it's an item that is found within your inventory list, the system will pull up the rest of the information, and you can make your changes here. Or if you're not too sure what the stock number is, what you could do is you could browse through your active inventory list, which is down below in this window, and find the stock number. But let's say if you have the stock number, we'll just type it in here. Let's say 114206. As you can see, it will pop. All the other boxes get populated. And if I want to, let's say if I want to delete this YouTube video for that car, I just highlight it, I just delete it, and then I clicked on Add Update, and that record was just updated. And if I want to delete a particular item, I first need to find that particular car in my active inventory list, which is in this window down below. And let's say okay, let's delete this Chevy Suburban here. What I need to do is double click on the stock number, which is here in this green color box. Double click on it, and you will see this delete button shows up down below, and I click there, click yes, That's it. Window that item deleted. Now let's get out of this window. Now let's move on to the next section. It says bulk upload. There's basically two ways that you can make changes to your inventory. Whether if you want to add a new item to the database, or if you want to update some information like price, color, pictures and things like that for a particular inventory item, or even to delete one. There are two ways to do it. One is through add edit products one by one, which we just went through briefly just a moment ago, or if you have a large inventory list, you could do it through bulk upload, which is a lot faster. And if you click there, this window shows up, and what you would need to do is this is assuming that you've already built your inventory feed and you have it saved on your computer. It should be in a CSV format, and you just click here and you can find that particular file, that inventory feed that you just created, and it will upload it into the system. Or if you're not too sure how to make an inventory file, we have this sample file that you can download, and it gives you full instructions. Let's get out of this window for now. Now let's move on to the next option. It says managing templates. For every ad that you generate and you post, you will need to have a template. That template defines the look and feel of that particular ad. Whether it's a title or the ad itself, it has to have a template. Now, managing templates, this is where you go to upload a new template, to delete your templates, and make changes basically to the templates that you have available. You can have different templates for different occasions, and you can have them saved in the system, and you can refer to them anytime you want to. So basically in this window, this shows you a list of current templates that you have available in the system you can choose from. If you want to upload a new template, you do it right here. If you want to delete a template, you do it down here. And if you want to get assistance with generating a new template, if you want to get professional design help, we have some contact information here that you can contact, and they know exactly how to generate your any kind of template that you would like. Now in this box down below, it shows the current templates that we offer in the system. So if you want to know what, for example, this template 10 looks like, you can just click on it, and it gives you a sample of if you were to use this template, how your ads will look like. Or I don't know, for example, this other one, template 2, this is what it looks like. Yeah, let's get out of this window for now. And next one is settings. This is where you go to update your profile, your company information, name and address, phone number, and things like that. Also, you put in your CL account information, ID, password, and the phone number, and you choose which city you would like to post to, things like that. Down the third section, this is where you choose your title template and your ad itself, the template for the ad itself. And this is where you set how fast or how slow you want the program to generate your ads and post them. Down below, this is where you tell the program if you want to have a landing page or if you don't, and you can control the information that is shown on the landing page if you were to activate it. And down here, this is where you change your login password to the program. If you make any changes, of course, you hit update and it asks you to confirm it. But let's get out of this window. Now, the one we're almost done here with these options. The last one is reports here. You click there. There are different kinds of reports that you can get on the program. We have a video that tells you all about reports and you know what each report does and which information it shows. So you may want to check out that video, and all this information will make much better sense once you look at that video. Now, if this is your first time using the program, first you will need to set it up, and you need to update your inventory into the system from one of the two ways that I just mentioned briefly. And the first thing to do to get started is you would need to go into the settings menu, just to make sure that your company information is up to date. Put in your CL account password and the phone number, and make sure your marketplace is accurate here, is showing the right information. Choose a template. By default, we choose one of the templates for you. You could keep it the same or you could change it, and we'll fill in this information for you, but later on, as you get used to the program, you can come back and you can modify them. And but once you make sure that your information is correct, that shows under settings, you will need to import your inventory into the system from one of the 2 days, bulk upload or one by one. Watch the other videos that we have that explain these two to learn more. But let's say if you just want to try out the program just to see how it works and get used to it, you can click in here, add edit products one by one. Let's just give it some time for the window to show up. Now here you can put in one of your stock numbers and fill out the list and go at update, and that will add that particular car to your inventory list. Once you open up your account, you might not see much of information in this box, because right now under this demo account we have 200 or 300 different cars that we have. But if you don't have anything, then probably you just see an empty box in here. To get started with placing your ads, you click in here. Let's just give it some time for it to load. And right under run one, you select the cars that you want to generate the ad for. If you just added one car only to your inventory, you just probably see one line up here, and you put the check mark there. You go start placing ads, and this is how you can get started. But I recommend that you watch the other videos that will give you a better understanding of how all these features within the program work, and how you can take advantage of them to post better ads.